of these extra large recessed can lights that take the old flood bulbs. I don't like how they burn out all the time. I don't like how much heat they give off. And I just don't like the discolored ring. So I'm going to show you today how to go ahead and change them really easily, really quickly, and save yourself some money and energy.
Start by removing the old light bulb. Then look for these little springs to remove the baffle inside your recessed light. Next, remove any trim. Get your LED retrofit can light and go ahead and screw the adapter into the light bulb socket. Inside your recessed can light, look for these little clips and you're going to go ahead and put the spring hinges inside those. Then just gently push up your light and you're done. Now turn on your light to test it and enjoy the energy savings and the beautiful new recessed lights.